Good morning, students. I am explain next part of component of food. So, student, in this part, I will explain a detail of your component of food. Student, you know how many components? 7. First, carbohydrate. Second, protein. Third, fat. Fourth, mineral. Fifth, water. 6 sulfate and 7 vitamin. So what is the source of carbohydrate and what is the function of the carbohydrate? So student, listen, what is the definition of the carbohydrate? Carbohydrate, in carbohydrate consists carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, so what is the formula? Yeah, what is the symbol of carbohydrate? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, C, H and O. Okay, so carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are consist in carbohydrates. Okay, so student, you know carbohydrate is the main source of energy in our food. And source of the carbohydrate, rice and chapati. You know, it is obtained from plants. So carbohydrates obtained from the plants means is a raw form. Okay. Second number, protein. Protein helps in growth, repair, building bones and muscles in our body. So protein containing also called body building food. Source of the protein are pulses, pea, nuts, egg and fish. Okay. Next number, fat. You know, fat are also energy giving food. It is help our food in absorb vitamins. Okay, if you eat any type of meal, who absorb the vitamin in your food? Yeah, digestive food, fats. Okay, source of the vitamin means source of the fats, cheese, butter, milk, meat, etc. Next number, minerals. Minerals are needed in small unit by our body. And minerals build strong teeth and bones in our body and also help in repairing calcium related things in our body. Okay, example, how to identify which are minerals. So calcium, potassium, iron and iodine are minerals in present in small quantity. Okay, so what is the work? Calcium help repair in a big bones, means if in our body any lack of calcium repair in our bones in body. Okay, improve bones related calcium related problem. Next, iron help in blood transport. Iron is the part of the blood, heme protein, hemoglobin. Okay, iodine are related to goiter disease. Okay, potassium work of the synthesize protein in our body. Water, it is an essential part of our diet because without water you not cook food, without water you not swallow the food. Okay, and water transport digested food to the cells of our body. Cells, you know, cells is the basic unit of our body, our life. and water help in regulating the body temperature in our body. You know, if you feel very hot, so your sweats come out from the body. After that your body feel cool and relaxed. Okay. And second thing, if you suffering from the fever, you take tablet of paracetamol and sleep. After if after completing this process, you feel very relaxed because your body temperature removed with sweats. Okay. So this is the processing of regulating the temperature in our body. Okay. What is the source of the water? Drinking water, juice, and water related vegetables या fruits. Okay, like cucumber. Okay. Roughage are also dietary fiber. Okay. What is the work of roughage? Roughage not take part in digestive process, but he work as a catalyst. Okay. Source of the roughage: fruits and dry fruits and salads. Vitamin. What is the work of vitamin? Vitamin protect our body from the disease. Means vitamin help in make your immunity system strong in our body. Okay. So there are two types of vitamin. Those who are soluble in water or those who are soluble in fats. So first, those who are soluble in water, vitamin C and vitamin B. Vitamin B and vitamin C are soluble in water. Means vitamin B come B6, B12. Okay. And second part, vitamin are those who are soluble in fat. Vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin E. But and source of the vitamin: fruits, vegetable, milk and egg. So this is the explanation of component of food and their sources. So student, in next class I will explain nutrients of the food. So this is very important part of our chapter lesson, and note some tough words and any important thing. Okay. Thank you.